Thank you, Travis and Spectrum Overhead Door, for coming out so quickly after my freak accident of hitting the garage door. Appreciate you guys being easy to work with and getting us an estimate and coming out in a timely manner. I appreciated you delivered just as you said you would. Thank you.